It's me again, DaBRasilianaire. Um, Today is July 3rd, and just about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I am doing my trade review for yesterday, and nah, have not traded today. I'm not trading today because today the U.S. stock market is open, and since June 19th, we messed up that day. We traded on a holiday, and we were wondering why the trades wasn't working, and that's because it was a holiday. But just from here to here, you just generated about 50 points on the NAS today. So from here all the way down there, 63. And this is right at the open. So I did go outside of the band and halfway on the medium. The 5-minute, large amounts of wicks outside of the band, going down here near the lower band. And the 1 minute. Maybe you'll catch this one over here from this one all the way down here. But that's despite the point. Point is that we learn from our mistakes from June 19th. And we chose not to trade today. But yesterday's trade, we were shorting up here and a little bit on the way. But from up here, let's say from my last short from here, all the way down here, generated 105 points. If you're doing 0.02, that could be equivalent of $200+ in profits. If you have taken all the way down there. I didn't take it all the way down there, which is fine. Here, outside of the band, going all the way down there again to the band. In the 5-minute, pretty much the same thing. Outside of the band, creating this triple topper here on the 5-minute, just selling off all the way down there. Then here is on the 1-minute. This one it did hit take profit. I could have stayed more focused and reshorted this lower high over here, or this high right here, hitting this resistance levels and going from outside the band to the lower band. But we haven't mentally got there yet to stay focused, because sometimes once I have profits, sometimes one of my thoughts that I have is that I don't want to give back my profits. And usually whenever I do take a trade, I usually ended up giving back my profits. So as far as thinking wise goes, I choose not to trade whenever I have that type of thoughts coming through my head sometimes. Here we were shorting here on the front side. I did have this short up here at 32, and then it came down here to the 23s. So it was about 9-10 points. Allow it to come back to my stop loss. Then I short over here again on 31, risking this high, and came back to my stop loss. I did have this one on the 30s, and it came back to my stop loss. And once this double top happened over here at the 34s, I shorted in 33s, and then he took me down over here, and that trade put me green on the day. But majority, I was having my take profits right here at 7469, which did go below 7469. Look, 7469, 7495, 7475, and this is the one that they went and hit, putting me green on the day. We are able to go to the NAS 100 now. So NAS 100, we will be risking 94% of our account. I haven't come up with the game plan yet for what am I going to do to just figure it out once Monday comes. But we have to be taking profits a little bit quicker because the way that NAS 100 moves and how fast he moves, I have to build some type of cushion. So that way I like to risk. I always like to risk 90, 95, 99% of my account because that way you learn faster. But situations like this, because we are doing 0.01 and 94%, I have to build some type of cushion on the account. And as far as the week goes, we are up in the week by a lousy $74, $79. We started with 75. Now we had $79 in profits. This trade right here is the majority of it because I was right on the day. There was 2 days that closed. One I closed for $2.55, and the other day I closed for 33 cents. But all 4 days that I traded this week, all 4 days were green. First day was I think like $46 or something like that. The other day was $2.55. The other one's 33 cents, and yesterday was about 30 or something. I don't know, something like that. But just the fact that yesterday the SPX moved 105 points, and then I only caught a little piece, which is fine. It's great, especially on the beginning stages of a small account. But could I have caught more and stay more focused and allow the trades to keep on coming to me? Yes. Was I just excited, not wanting to trade anymore and just allowing my day to be? Yes. But there is lots of room for improvements, especially on waiting for the trade to come to you, not forcing trades like this one's shorting on the front side of it. There's unnecessary trades. So slowly but surely we are getting there. Now we are going to be trading with the big boys. And just this is the NAS 100 yesterday. Double top outside of the band, going to the lower band. And just yesterday, the NAS 100 has developed 942 points move, which that's a monstrous move. That double top in the 5 minute. Yep, just straight down. 900 plus points. So if you catch a 900 points move with 0.01, that's $900. If you catch that with 2 with 0.02, that's $1,800. That's crazy. If you do that with 0.03, that's $2,700. Just in a day. If you catch that with 10 lots, it's $900,000. Imagine catching a 900 point base move with 10 lots. That's $900,000. That's almost $1 million a day. And to do 10 lots, all you need is literally like $100,000. Oh no, $150,000. You catch 10 lots for 900 points. There's almost $1 million. That's crazy. Anyways, we will be back Monday. And yeah, See, trading's already closed. So stay profitable, my friend. And I will see you guys on Monday. Ciao.